Walk us through what we know so far.
Well, what we've heard from sources at the moment is that Aramco's got a $40 billion order book for its debut dollar bond sale. Initial price thoughts have come out as putting the pricing on this issue. There's going to be across 6 different tranches spanning from 3 years to 30 years. And the pricing looks at the moment like it's going to be pretty tight to the Saudi sovereign. We've obviously got another 24 hours or so until that pricing gets confirmed. And given the size of the order book and demand for this offering, we'll probably see that start to come down and see Aramco able to price inside the sovereign, which I think is going to be a remarkable result for a state-owned company to price at a tighter pricing than the entity which owns it. And that's going to be sort of a key consideration, I think, for a lot of investors who are going to be watching this issue.
Okay, Matthew, that exactly answers the question, because if there's that much demand for this, why aren't the yields lower? Because going into this, there were people speculating it might be lower than the sovereigns. You're saying we're not done yet in this pricing. It may still get below the sovereign.
Yeah, I think at the moment, all we've seen is the initial price thoughts come out, and just from quickly comparing that to where the Saudi sovereign curve is at the moment, most of those figures are pretty close to the sovereign curve. And yeah, as I say, given that they've got this $40 billion of demand there, the question now is going to be how big an issue does Aramco end up printing, and how does it price? I mean, I think from the feedback we're hearing from investors at the moment is that it's pretty likely that they will be able to tighten pricing quite a bit over the next 24 hours or so, and we will see ultimately a fairly sizable issue printed and inside the sovereign.